In this video, I will talk about merge strategies with Git. I have a Git repository called Git strategy, and I'm standing on the master branch, as you can see. What I'm showing here is the file structure of this branch. It has two files, zero directories. The file A contains this text. The first line reads from master, and the second line reads touch A from master. As the text suggests, this file was edited from the master branch. The first line was written from the master branch, and the second line as well. So if we have a look at the file B, it also has a line that reads from master. So far, everything you've seen here has been created and modified from this master branch. But I have another branch here too, so let's check it out. It's called my branch, and I can show you what this looks like. It has three files, the file A, B, and C. So the file, let's start from C. The file C was created from this particular branch. The file B was created from the master branch. And the file A was touched the first line from the master branch and the second line from this branch called my branch. So notice how this line, the second line of the file A, is different on this branch compared to the master branch. So the same file with the same name on the second line has two different entries. One that reads touch A from master. That is what the file looks like on the master branch. But on the my branch, it reads touch A from my branch. So if we were to merge these two branches, there would be a conflict because Git wouldn't know if the changes that I want to preserve in the merged version are those that were introduced on the my branch or on my master branch. So let's see that in action. So if I do git merge master, I get a merge conflict. So where is that conflict? Let's do cat A. So here you can see that the changes that have caused a merge conflict are here on the A file. So let's see that file. And as you can now imagine, or you must have anticipated, the line that has the conflict is line 2, because we need to decide if we want to keep the one that was modified from the my branch or from the one that was modified from the master branch. So that's fine, but let's abort this merge process, because there is some strategies that we could use to tell Git how to decide which changes should override which other changes. And that we can do with the git merge flag X, that you can append the hours or wheres or the flag theirs. And they have opposite meanings. So if we say hours and we merge master, what this will do is I will consider that this branch now is the branch that we created, and then hours means that the changes that should be prioritized are the hours changes, so the ones that come from this branch. So when we merge master, the changes on my branch should take priority. Let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, I just get a message to edit if I want for the merge commit, but there is no conflict. So I just say, I just save this file, and I can show you the log. Let's do git log one line graph decorate to see a nice log. As you can see, I have the master branch here and this other branch, and the two have been merged right in this commit. And the resolution of those the merge conflict that we saw when we didn't specify any kind of strategy, the resolution as it is, let's have a look at it. It was in the file A. So let's see what decision Git made. So the decision that was made was to give priority to the changes introduced on my branch. So that is what we achieve with the -hours flag when we are standing on the branch that contains ours, right? So they contain our changes. So our changes override those of the branch that we are intending to merge here. So to get the opposite effect, you could use the opposite flag. You could do something like theirs, x theirs. Good instead, give priority to the changes that come from master when there is a merge conflict. So automatically Git could decide how to solve that conflict by giving priority to the changes that come, in that case, from the master branch. But that's not what the decision that we made. Instead, we decided to merge with the X hours strategy, giving priority to the changes that are in the branch that we are now standing on. So that concludes this video. I hope that this is helpful to you.